Have you ever stopped to truly consider who the greatest engineer, the most prolific artist, or the most enduring architect on Earth really is? It's not a human being, a company, or even a civilization. It's a force far older and more powerful, nature itself. Today, we're diving deep into the awe-inspiring world of nature-made, exploring the incredible craftsmanship, intricate designs, and profound wisdom embedded in everything from towering mountains to microscopic organisms. We'll uncover how nature builds, sustains, and innovates, and what we can learn from its timeless brilliance. Get ready to see the world around you with new eyes, appreciating the genius of our planet. Our journey begins with the colossal forces that sculpt our planet, the master architects of geological wonders. Think about the Grand Canyon, carved over millions of years by the relentless flow of the Colorado River, eroding rock layer by magnificent layer. This isn't just a big ditch. It's a living textbook of Earth's history, showcasing incredible sedimentary patterns and the power of water. Then there are the majestic mountain ranges, like the Himalayas, born from the slow but unstoppable collision of tectonic plates, pushing landmasses skyward in a process that continues even today. Volcanoes, too, are nature's own furnaces, building new land from molten rock, shaping coastlines and creating fertile soils. These processes aren't static, they are dynamic, ever-changing, demonstrating a raw power and an unfathomable sense of time that puts human endeavors into humbling perspective. Each ripple in a sand dune, each fissure in a granite cliff, is a testament to natural forces working on a scale we can barely comprehend, creating landscapes of breathtaking beauty and profound geological significance. Moving from the grand scale to the intricate, let's marvel at the living innovators, the biological ingenuity that populates every corner of our world. Consider photosynthesis, a process so elegant and fundamental that it powers nearly all life on Earth. Plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into energy and oxygen, essentially running the most efficient, large-scale clean energy factory imaginable. Then there's the incredible resilience and adaptation seen in creatures like the humble tardigrade, or water bear, which can survive extreme radiation, vacuum, and dehydration. Or take the remarkable strength and lightness of spider silk, a natural polymer stronger than steel by weight, inspiring engineers to develop new materials. Evolution, in essence, acts as nature's unparalleled research and development department, constantly refining designs through trial and error over millennia. From the iridescent wings of a butterfly to the complex root systems of an ancient tree, life forms exhibit an astonishing array of solutions to environmental challenges, each one perfected through countless generations to ensure survival, efficiency, and a harmonious existence within their ecosystems. These individual innovations don't exist in isolation. They intertwine within nature's most complex systems. The ecosystems picture a vibrant rainforest, a biodiversity hotspot teeming with life, where every organism plays a crucial role in a delicate balance. Trees absorb massive amounts of carbon dioxide, regulate global weather patterns, and create a unique microclimate. The decomposition of fallen leaves enriches the soil, supporting new growth. Or consider the intricate world of coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea. These nature-made, underwater cities are built by tiny polyps, providing nurseries for countless marine species, protecting coastlines from erosion, and forming critical links in the ocean's food web. Wetlands, too, are natural filtration systems, purifying water, recharging aquifers, and providing vital habitats while acting as natural buffers against floods. These are not just collections of species. They are vast, interconnected networks where energy flows, nutrients cycle, And life sustains itself through symbiotic relationships and feedback loops. Understanding these intricate systems reveals the profound interdependence of all living things and the invaluable services nature freely provides. Yet, even beyond the visible wonders, lie the unseen miracles and micro-scale brilliance that truly underscore nature's design prowess. Delve into the soil beneath your feet, and you'll discover a hidden world of mycorrhizal fungi, forming vast underground networks that connect trees and plants, allowing them to share nutrients and even communicate. This wood wide web is a sophisticated infrastructure far predating human technology. Consider the marvel of a single cell, an incredibly complex machine with organelles working in perfect synchronicity to carry out life's fundamental processes, from energy production to genetic replication. Then there's the elegant simplicity of a snowflake, each crystal unique, formed by water molecules freezing into intricate hexagonal patterns governed by fundamental physical laws. Even the air we breathe and the water we drink are products of massive, intricate natural cycles driven by microbial activity, solar energy, and geological processes. These microscopic and invisible wonders remind us that nature's artistry and engineering extend far beyond what meets the eye, underpinning the very fabric of existence with breathtaking precision and complexity. This profound understanding of nature-made principles has inspired one of humanity's most innovative fields, biomimicry and sustainable design. Instead of conquering nature, we're learning to collaborate with it, observing its time-tested solutions and applying them to human challenges. The invention of Velcro, for instance, was directly inspired by the tiny hooks on burdock burrs that clung to Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral's dog. The aerodynamic design of Japan's Shinkansen bullet train was improved by mimicking the sleek, low-drag beak of the kingfisher. Self-cleaning surfaces, like paints and fabrics, are now being developed based on the lotus leaf's microscopic texture that repels water and dirt. From energy-efficient building designs that mimic termite mounds to medical adhesives inspired by gecko's feet, nature offers a blueprint for innovation that is inherently sustainable, resilient, and optimized over millions of years. By learning from nature's wisdom, we can develop technologies and systems that work with our planet, rather than against it, fostering a future that truly integrates human progress with ecological well-being. From the monumental sculpting of continents to the intricate dance of molecules within a single cell, nature-made encapsulates a universe of unparalleled genius. It is the ultimate source of design, engineering, and innovation, demonstrating an enduring capacity for creation, adaptation, and sustained life. Understanding these principles isn't just fascinating, it's crucial for our own future, reminding us of the profound beauty, interconnectedness, and inherent wisdom that surrounds us. So, what nature-made wonder fascinates you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this journey into nature's brilliance inspiring, please hit that like button, subscribe for more captivating content, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.